That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Walk on by.
One last time, spend an unforgettable evening with six-time Grammy winner and legendary music icon, Dionne Warwick, together with a full five-piece live band.
I say a little prayer for
Friday,
you.
January 24 at the New Frontier Theater, performing her greatest hits and favorite songs. Tickets now on sale at ticketnet.com.ph and Ticketnet outlets. Dionne Warwick, One Last Time, presented by Will Bros Live.
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Ako po si Angelica. May bukol po ako sa tuhod, kaya hirap po talaga ako maglakad. Nag-take ako ng Santon Plus araw-araw at isang buwan lang. Palit ang bukol ko. Epektibo talaga ang Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Santon Plus. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Ang African Swine Fever o ASF ay lubhang nakahahawa at nakamamatay sa mga baboy. Malaki ang epekto nito sa food safety at ekonomiya. Mahigpit na ipatupad ang biosecurity, maglinis at mag-disinfect. Mag-report agad sa lokal na pamahalaan kung magkasakit o mamatay ang alagang baboy. Bisitahin ang National ASF Prevention and Control Program o NASFPCP Facebook page para sa karagdagang impormasyon. Let's be aware, be secure, be ASF free.
Goodbye to me, my child. Hello, bright bar blue. Isang labatan yan. Bright bar blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Goodbye to me, my child. Hello, bright bar blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Hello, beautiful people! Ako po ang inyong tita Winnie Cordero. Matanong po ninyo, bakit panatag ang loob ko sa MX3? Dahil ito ay tested and proven na may alpha, beta at gamma mangosteen, mga natural na nutrients mula sa mangosteen. Meron din itong seal of quality excellence at manufactured sa GMP at ISO certified na planta. MX3 is my choice. Tunay, natural at original.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Mula sa number 1, Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste ko! Pritong ulam na masebo, plato at kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. Number 1 ko to! Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
DCXL News, ang himpilan ng RMN.